Hey guys, it's Kate and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another haul for you. This is going to be a Stoney Clover haul and I feel like I haven't done one in a minute because, trying to be more mindful about what I'm bringing into my collection, and let's be honest, I'm definitely a Stoney Clover girl through and through, and it is with the most willpower that I don't buy everything from every collection that they release. But I've seen a couple of girlies on Insta showing purchases from Stoney from, I think it's called Street 260. I'm gonna have to actually get this open and look at it for you, but basically what it is it's a sample site that they will sell crazy deals of not just Stoney, other name brands as well. And I picked up quite a few pieces because I just could not believe the price, and it did make its way to me, so I'm hoping it is all there and legit, and I'm excited for my wallet if that's the case because I'm going to be haunting that site for these sales. So let's just go ahead and get into it. This is the size of the box. That's kind of why I have you guys a little bit further back, because I'm hoping that I can get everything in frame. I guess I should have, cut the box open before I started filming, but luckily I do have scissors here. So let's go ahead and slice open the tape so we can't open this guy. Okay, I figured it out. So the website is called 260 Sample Sale, and I ordered this on April 10th. It got to me yesterday, May 4th. So not too bad, and I have all of the prices up here as well because the slip does not contain the prices, just the itemized receipt for the actual items in here. So I'll go ahead and tell you the prices as well. But this was what the box is looking like. Okay, these two flaps are not it. Upon opening. So let's go ahead and jump in. I hit the milk stand that you guys are on. So right on top here, I have this headband. It is so cute. Most of the stuff from this collection is from, I believe it was their fall and then their summer lines. And this one is part of that. I love it. Is $10. $10 for a Stoney Clover headband. It actually doesn't say the price on the package that it did come in, but it wasn't 10 bucks on the website. I'm gonna say it was probably anywhere between 60 to 80, but there is the Stoney Clover emblem. It is a plaid thick headband. I thought would be so cute for work, little collegiate look. Absolutely love that. 10 bucks, you gotta be kidding me. I did get something to go with that, and I'm gonna pull that next. Yes! Okay, so this has the tags on it. Again, it doesn't have the price. But this is a pochette, and pochettes are generally 100 or so. And I got this for $32. $32. I'm not joking you. You guys, look at this. I mean, so it does have the Stoney tag on it. Upside down, so sorry. And it does have the item, but there is no price that I can see. So this was the elevated primary plaid pochette, $32. Love the zipper pulls, are hearts with the SCLN for Stoney Clover Lane. We do have, see, it is a good thing I brought scissors, y'all. The longer strap in here, because we know that pochette needs that long strap for the crossbody. You cannot tell me that this little pochette headband, even with what I'm wearing now, which is just a kind of cream color set from Amazon, would not be a look. Stop it. So cute. There's the heart pull, you can see. a bit better close up, and there are 2 of them. I love her. She needs a little bag charm. Cute. So here is crossbody. Let me stand up for you. Fully standing up. It hits me mid-hip, hip into upper thigh. Not upper thigh, but you know what I'm saying. Like, this is literally my hip bone, so going into my legs. Stop it. She's perfect. Okay. For $32? Are you kidding me? You guys are joking. Joking me. Okay. I believe the only other, oh, these are also from that. Let me just stick with the, I want to say this was their fall collection. Also got this heart crossbody bag, $32 also. $32. The way I needed this for Valentine's Day when I wore my pink and red heart dress from Francesca's, this would have been the move. I ended up wearing my Stoney bedazzled little Dylan bag, so it was perfect, but this would have been great as well. Have the emblem there at the top. These poles are just the red vinyl. And again, same thing. You have the tag and it just says the item number for this, no price. Let's open her up and see if we can get the strap as well. It definitely will like wear out too, because I know it's scrunched from being bundled up in there, but it will. Okay, here is, so it falls in about the same place. You guys, $32, you have to be kidding me. She's so cute. And I have the iPhone 16 Pro Max, one of the, I think it's the most current, biggest phone. It does look like it'll fit. Kind of go at an angle maybe. Might have to put that in your pocket separately. Not sure. Okay, the last thing I got from that collection was the scoop tote in the color Ivy. This was the most expensive item and it was $38. Y'all know the scoop tote isn't $38 retail. Oh my gosh, I'm like regretting not getting more pieces, I'm not gonna lie. The deals are just too good to be true and I just love Stoney, I do. The only thing is there was no way to customize any of these pieces, obviously. So if I wanted to add patches, I would have to take it to a store, which the closest for me here would be the one in Tampa. Or I could also, you know, commission somebody to stitch them on for me, but I'm also okay with a plain bag. So this guy does have a little key ring closure, but other than that, it is just a huge empty tote, which is so perfect for work. I am a teacher. I carry a laptop, planner, a book that I'm currently reading. I mean, I can actually do like a what's in my work bag if you guys are interested, but my main concern is my laptop, and this absolutely will fit. It definitely needs some charms. It needs a little bit of decoration, but $38, you're joking. And look, I can literally wear the headband. Oh my God, it's so cute. I love everything. I love everything. The other 2 pieces I got were from, I think it was like, this must have been the summer one. It was Italian or Italy, like pasta themed. It was really cute. I got 2 items, as I said. The first one I'm going to show you is another pochette because I think it's, I mean, I'm always going to be a jumbo fanny girl. Let's not let's not make a mistake. The jumbo fanny is my one true love, but I don't know, y'all. The Poochette's coming in hot as a close second because it's so cute. Now this little Poochette is different because I guess, I apologize, that first one that I showed you is not a Poochette. It's actually a micro top handle crossbody bag, so it is different. But really the size wise, I feel like they are very comparable. I'm actually gonna put the strap on as I have done for the other bags, and then I'm gonna show you the micro top handle right next to the Poochette so you can see how comparable they are. Okay, micro top handle Poochette, right? They're pretty comparable. From the side, the Poochette is maybe a little wider, and the micro top is maybe a little taller, but they are very comparable. Love that the Poochette has that heart emblem again with the snap closure, and then you can open it up. And these are deceivingly, like the fannies, deceivingly big. You can fit a lot of stuff in there for how small that is. Card holder, phone. I mean, I'm actually going to take the stuffing out to show you. Again, I have the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Totally fine. Card holder. As I said, charger, little Tylenol, lippy, sanitizer. You can get quite a bit in this. Love this color. I want to wear this to the Italy Pavilion and eat some pizza. Stop it, she's so cute. Oh my God, she's so cute. Keep getting up and down in this video, sorry. Here is her on. Again, I just had it on the pre-put setting, but it is adjustable. You can make it larger, smaller on you. Fully standing up, again, hits me really about hip length. Oh my God, she's so cute. She's so cute. She's so cute. And then the very last thing, I didn't say the Poochette price, did I? I feel like I'm all over the place. I am having so much fun unboxing this, I'm like not concentrating. That was $32. So the last thing, jumbo fanny. As I said, I'm a jumbo fanny girl, one true love. $29. $29. Guys, I'm not joking, I regret not buying more. All of these pieces were just under 200. And if I'm being honest, they dropped their Cinderella collection and pre-order not long after this, and I pre-ordered the Poochette 2 style and the keychain and spent just about as much, if not I think a little more, on those 2 items than I did on these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. This is the color Pesto. I don't know if I said that. Again, you can't customize. I would have loved to customize this, but all I need to do is get the patches and take it to my local store. I don't even need to get the patches. I'm sure the stores have the patches. So I just need to go in store, and I'm sure I can get it customized. I know I can get it customized. But this green color, beautiful. Oh my God, I love it in person. That is some Tiana green if I ever saw. Oh my God, that's so pretty. So this is obviously way too big. Oh gosh, my dogs are barking. That cannot be good. I hope Arnold is not causing chaos while I'm trying to film. Oh no. Okay, let's make that shorter. Okay, because I do wear the crossbody. Oh, they're literally trying to bang in the door to come in. The jumbo crossbody is just like this. Oh my God, so cute. I'm so happy. You guys, I'm so happy with everything I picked up. I really I really regret not getting more. I'm not even kidding. But, so to say that the sample 260 is a hit is an understatement. Keep your eyes out. I saw an ad for it. Like I said, I've seen girlies talk about it on Insta, but I also saw an ad for it on my stories, and that's what directed me to the site and to the sale specifically. I will be haunting that website because all of these pieces for under $200 is crazy. This is crazy. I love it. If you guys enjoyed this haul and unboxing with me, I really hope you did because I felt like a kid on Christmas Day. This was so much fun. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.